Yesterday we reviewed what rhyming is. Rhyming is when two or more words sound the same at the end. Today we're going to continue practicing how to recognize words that rhyme. Let's take a look at these pictures. Hut, cut, cob. Hut, cut, cob. Hut, ut, cut, ut. Those both have the ut sound at the end, so they must rhyme. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Let's try the next one though. Hut, ut, cob, ob. Those do not sound the same at the end, so they do not rhyme. So hut and cut rhyme. Let's try another one. Bug, bat, cat. Bug, bat, cat. Which two pictures rhyme? Let's check it. Bug, ugh, bat, at. Those don't rhyme. Bat, at, cat, at. Those rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Let's try another one. Bat, hat, sub. Bat, hat, sub. Which two pictures rhyme? Let's check. Bat, at, hat, at. Those rhyme. They both have the at sound at the end. Hat, at, sub, ub. Those words do not rhyme. They do not have the same sound at the end. Great job. Keep practicing that rhyming. You guys are doing great.